Hey guys, it's me, Kawaii Crafty, and today I'm going to be doing the second part to my desk organization. If you guys haven't watched the first video, I just cleaned off the top of my desk, but I didn't organize the side cabinet shelf thing. So today I'm going to be doing that. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll be leaving it in the card above, as well as in the description box down below. And this video is pretty short because the cabinet doesn't have that much stuff to organize because there's not a lot of things there, but it's kind of messy, so without further ado, let's get organizing. This is what my desk looks like from my last organization video. I also have other stuff that don't really fit here, as well as the stuff in the shelf that are really awkwardly placed and don't look very neat, so I have a few stuff that I'm going to grab to stay organized. So here I have a basket from 4 years ago. I also grabbed a DIY box I made in another video, link in the card. You can also use maybe plastics from food, obviously cleaned, and any kind of cardboard you can find around your house. If you do origami, you can make origami boxes to stay organized. I didn't end up using it. So now I'm going to grab the stuff I'm going to put in. So I have some pens, markers, and highlighters that don't really fit in the pen organizer, as well as a stapler that I got from the dollar store that doesn't seem to close. Next, I'm going to grab a small ruler as well as some memo pad paper, some sticky notes, things I've just bought in stores or maybe collected from random places. Some of these I don't remember where I got them. I also have these whole bunch of reinforcer stickers, a pencil case, another pencil case with all of my washi tapes, and some books. 2 of these are my sketchbooks, and a classic crochet book is in there as well. I don't know why I have that. So I'm not going to talk through most of this, I'm just going to let you guys see what I'm doing and listen to some nice music. So now I'm going to put some photos that I got for my scrapbook as well as from old picture day things. So I'm going to clean out the bottom shelves, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I also cleaned them up off camera after the video was over. And as you can see, I put the art pack thing back because it was too tall for the shelves and I couldn't stand up. So, yeah. Now I'm just going to remove the basket and put the scrapbook in the back, as well as put my organizer that I store some stickers, memo paper, and pattern paper that I made in a video. Now I'm just going to put the basket back. And that's it. So that is it for this video. I know it's really short, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, then give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, then give me a thumbs down. Please do let me know how you feel. It really helps. And if you have any feedback, comments, or suggestions, make sure to do so in the comment section down below. And if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, why not? I have lots of art and craft videos coming out every Friday. So if you want to stay tuned for that, please do click the subscribe button as well as the push notifications, just the bell icon, then you just click the check mark on the box. Then you'll be notified whenever I post. So I will hopefully see you guys in my next video. Bye! And don't forget to be kind and be kawaii!